You are watching MDN Teleradio.
Okay, we will be right back. Okay, here beside me mga friendship is my co-host in the Home Show Unlimited. But now, she is also my special guest. You will be
Yes.
surprised because I have my topics to discuss with her. Okay, mga friendship, once again, she is 9 years in the real estate industry as a real estate broker. And also, she is the co-owner of the Truly Wealthy Realty. And she is also the co-owner of Trillium Builders. Mga friendship, please help me welcome my co-host, broker Alex Zeta Ingaw.
Hello.
Hello, good morning once
everybody.
again.
So today I'll be the guest
Yes.
instead of the host. So today actually we will be talking about the
About
difference.
the difference between the resale and the pre-selling.
Pre-selling
or pre-selling.
projects.
Yes. So because this is your expertise also as a broker, Alex, no, I like your performance in the area in our practice as a broker. That's why this is very relevant to our discussion to inform or to let others also know the difference between pre-selling and resale. So can you define the pre-selling and samples of pre-selling, difference between the two?
Yes, okay. So first of all, I would like to expound why it's
Yes.
important to know the difference between the two.
Okay, good.
Especially for first-time property buyers, they may be confused as to what the difference is, and also it's important for them to know what the
Yes.
advantages and disadvantages, what the pros and cons are. So first, let me start with pre-selling. So with pre-selling properties, these are properties owned by developers.
Okay.
So we already have a lot of developers here in Cagayan de Oro at the moment. So there are many big players already, such
Yes.
as Philinvest.
Philinvest,
We have
mga
Ayala,
Pueblo de Oro.
Camellia, yes, Pueblo de Oro, A Brown,
Yes.
Yega Development Corp. So these are all developers,
Yes.
property developers.
And
so,
Sibulan Masters also.
Sibulan
And
Masters.
Tuscania.
So once a property is still owned by the developer, it's
Yes.
considered as a pre-selling property. Whereas resales or private listings are those properties owned by private individuals. So for example, if you, Herbert, you bought a condominium or a house and lot from CLI, so it will become a private property or a resale, so to speak. Yeah, so actually there are several differences between a resale and a pre-selling project.
Okay.
So first is financing. So this is
Financing,
one
that's
very
one.
key difference. So pre-selling projects often have different financing schemes available. So they have, of course, they have cash. They
Yes.
also have deferred cash wherein you can split the total contract price within 12 or 24 months at
Okay.
0% interest. So this
Yes.
is viable for high-income buyers who do not want to get a bank
Yes.
loan.
But some nowadays, some others 48 months,
Yes.
24 months, no? They
It
stretch.
will really depend on the developer, the
Yes.
length of term for deferred cash payment.
Okay,
So
good.
after deferred cash, they also have bank financing wherein you can get a loan from accredited banks for this particular developer. So the advantage for pre-selling projects for bank with regards to bank financing is that they already have a set equity.
Wow.
So usually developers have 10%, 15%, maximum of 20% equity. So you no longer have to appraise the property, because if it were a resale property or a private listing, the buyer would have to go to the bank, pay
Yes.
for the appraisal
Appraisal fee.
to have it appraised.
Yes.
And usually the appraised value is a bit lower than the total contract price, because of course the banks are a bit conservative in their appraisal. As compared to the developer, you will have a higher
Yes.
loanable amount, as much as 90%. So the trend now is 90% loanable amount, 80 to 90% depending on the developer.
Good that you mentioned that there are appraiser, but this is a real estate appraiser, licensed appraiser nowadays in the bank and in a private practice. No,
Yeah,
They
so
are
it's different. Banks
appraising.
have their own appraisers.
Yes. So good to know that 90%, no?
Yeah, so the advantage of getting a pre-selling property is that you will have a higher loanable amount
Yes.
and lesser equity or lesser down payment. And another advantage is you can pay off, buyers can pay off the equity over an extended period of time at no interest.
Wow.
So you
That's
can pay it off at 12 months, 24
24 months,
months,
36
even
months.
as even as high as 30 or
Yes.
42 months.
Yes.
But for private listings, the buyer will have to have cash on hand to pay for the down payment.
Okay.
So how much, it will depend on the appraised value. So the bank will allow you to loan 80% of the appraised value for house and lot units, while 70% if it's a condo or a lot only.
Yes.
So the difference, that is what the buyer needs to have cash on hand for the down payment.
Yes.
And also he will need to pay for the taxes as well. So you will need to prepare an amount for the down payment plus tax
Plus the
payment.
taxes.
So you should look at around
How
20
many?
to 30% for the
Yes.
equity plus tax payment. Usually, if it's a pre-selling house and lot or condo unit, it's not yet available. So the buyer cannot immediately move in and occupy the unit.
Yes, that's it.
Compared to a resale house and lot, it's already finished. It's already ready for occupancy, so you can just move in.
Okay.
Some house and lot or condo units that are resales are also furnished.
Yes.
So the buyer just has to move in. Compared to a pre-selling, it's usually not furnished, bare finished, and also the buyer has to improve the unit, like to add cabinets,
Yes.
add interiors.
Yes.
Yeah. So like to summarize,
Yes.
the main difference between pre-selling and resale, first is the availability. For pre-selling, they're often not available, so
Right.
buyers will have to wait between 1 to 2 years
Yes.
to be able to have their house or condo
ah.
unit turned over to them. Sometimes it's longer because some developers, they do, like, they give out an equity, an extended equity of 3 or 4 years. So it depends. So again, that's the availability of the unit.
Yes.
Pre-selling, not yet available, but for ready for occupancy or RFO units, I mean for resales, then the unit, the house and lot or condo is already available. Next is the financing. So if you don't want like a bulk to cash out on a bulk amount, then you can go with pre-selling house and lot or condo units, since you can pay off the equity over an extended period of time at no interest.
Wow.
But for resale, if you have the cash to shoulder the down payment and the tax, then you can go with the resales
So-
because you can use the unit immediately
Yes.
as well. Well, for me as a broker,
Yes.
it usually depends on my buyer.
Okay.
It depends on the needs of my buyer. For example, if my buyer does not have a huge amount of cash for the down payment, then I usually recommend a pre-selling house and lot. But if they have an amount prepared for the down payment, then they can go with a resale. So it
Yes.
depends on the needs of my client. But as for how the ease, maybe ease of selling, it's easier to sell, like for salespersons and brokers, it's easier to sell developer projects,
Okay.
because everything is already prepared.
Yes.
Like you just really have to focus on closing the deal, facilitating the documentation, but all the
Yes.
documentation is prepared by the developer.
I agree.
The computation is already there. So everything is ready.
Yes.
But for resales, the broker has to do the due diligence
Yeah, yes.
himself or herself. So
Due
you have to check
diligence.
at the registry of deeds as to the status of the title. You have to facilitate with the attorney with
Yes.
regards to the contract to sell and the deed of sale. So it takes more skill to close a private listing
Yes.
compared to a developer. So if you're different naman yung topic, friend. Different
Okay.
yung topic.
Another
So,
topics to share next time.
so dili na siya difference between resale and
Yes.
pre-selling, but for sellers, for real estate practitioners, whether you're a salesperson or broker, if you're new, then it would be better to start with developer listings and then
Correct.
progress to private listings, because it's harder and takes more skill to close.
Okay, welcome,
back to the Home
Yes.
Show Unlimited.
I am so happy today because we have our wonderful topics na na-share to our audiences, to our
Yes.
viewers right there.
So one tidbit lang to
Yes.
about real estate tips, and I
Yes.
actually talk about these things on my vlog, Real Estate Broker Alex Zeta. So if you want to know
Yes.
more, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes, me too. You can search me in the Facebook, Ian P. Herbert Serrano, Broker Herbert. And I'd like to thank also our viewers, no, nag-comment pa gid ang uban.
Yes.
Like si Broker Elmer Clarabal.
Elmer.
And also to our Jessie Obay-Obay.
And to my mom who's watching, hi,
Yes.
Mommy.
And to Minfa Puao, Cherry Lau, thank you for watching. And also to our real estate developers, sales and marketing. They are there watching us, like Ma'am Mueng from Pueblo de Oro, Sir Chrysler Acebo from Pueblo de Oro. We also have from Tuscania, Ma'am V, and
Yes.
also Wendy.
From the residential loft.
Yes, we
Silang
also have
Eileen and Janice.
Janice, hi. From the Tuscania, sila ni Ma'am V and Ma'am Wendy.
Yes.
How about from the Sibulan Masters? Naapod si Ma'am?
Si Trudez.
Yes, hi Ma'am and Sir John Ray.
So, we hope to interview you
Yes.
again here on the Home Show Unlimited.
From the Golden Haven also, we have from Ma'am Emmy Lustado. Hi Ma'am Emmy and also Ma'am Stella.
Mag-coffee na po with Ma'am Emmy
Yes,
soon.
because nahatag po siya mga shares, tips on our real estate practice.
Yes.
And also, naapag yun from Philinvest, Ma'am Ivy Gamutin, and also Sir James Saliasgo. Hi. And also from Yega, no?
Hello, Sir Zaki.
And Ma'am Fruity. And also, naapag yun from Primavera, Ma'am Gladys. Hi. And also, we have from
Daghan kaayo.
Dagan kaayo,
Dili
pang
mahurot.
Pontipino, si Lynn Alonzo. Okay. So mga ka-friendship, to our viewers, to our listeners, or our supporters, thank you so much sa inyong pag-sponsor po to our show.
Yes.
From the banks, AOB Bank, from Maybank, from Daghan kayo.
One sponsor si Ma'am Christy Lugto.
Yes, our major sponsor also, no?
Yes.
Sila Ma'am Christy Lugtot sa ihang Silok Corps.
Yeah, so to our viewers, to our real estate family out there watching, again, you can catch us every Tuesday,
Yes.
9 a.m. at Mindanao Daily News Facebook page. And you,
You
can
can
also catch our
catch
uploads
us.
at the Facebook page of The Home Show Unlimited and the
Yes.
YouTube channel of The Home Show Unlimited.
You can catch us anytime and anywhere. I-type lang ninyo ang Mindanao Daily News.
Yeah, so catch us anytime, anywhere, here only at The Home Show Unlimited.
Hi again to our PAREB Association, the Philippine Association of Real Estate Board, and also to Rebap Association,
And
to
our
Fieldrest
guest- our
Association.
guest for today.
Our guest for today, special thanks to Attorney Jeffrey Caudor Saclot. He is the Provincial Tourism Officer of Misamis Oriental, and to Governor Bambi Mano. And also to my special guest nga co-host today, Broker Alex Zeta Gingaw. Salamat kayo for your topics to share about the pre-selling and resale.
Yes, I'm always happy to impart
Yes, thank you
the
kay
information
Alex.
needed sa ato ang mga audience
Yes.
and property investors so they will be able to make an informed choice. So knowledge is really power.
Power. With implementation, there is power in the knowledge. Now, mga friendship, I'd like also to thank Cagayan de Oro City and the Northern Mindanao, the progress of our city and the Northern Mindanao, and also the whole Philippines, ang atong mga viewers, no, mga real estate practitioners, daghang salamat.
Yeah, so since we are online, you can catch us anywhere.
Yes, oh.
Anywhere in the world.
And to the Mindanao Daily News, the staff also headed by Sir Dantes Daria, daghang salamat also, sir.
Oh, nag-comment ako, Mami. Hi,
Yes,
Mami.
hi.
Thank
And
you.
to my brothers and sisters also who are watching
Hi, Ma'am Lynn
in
Alonzo.
our show. Hi, ma'am.
Okay, so
Okay. Thank you so much for today.
Thank
And
you
it has
for
been a
today.
very good day, Alex. And thank you so much for watching. This is the Home Show Unlimited. Once again, this is Sir Friendship, Mr. Herbert Serrano.
I'm Alex Zeta.
Thank you so much, and to God be the glory.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching MDN Teleradio. Like and share. Watch us anytime, anywhere.